the channel today. Let me explain to you how linear equations work. So we have an equation which is 5x plus 2 is equals to 7. Alright, so students, most of the time they're always asking you to solve these equations. You'll be asked to solve these linear equations. Alright, why are these called equations? Is because you always have an equals to sign with these mathematical sentences. You see a equals sign with them, you will understand that they're called equations. Now, whenever they ask you to solve one of these bad boys, they'll always be asking you to find out the value of the variable, whatever that may be x, that may be y, that may be z. Let me show you how this is solved. So we have a left hand side to the equation, and then we have a right hand side to the equation. Everything that is a variable which you may classify as an alphabet would come to the left hand side of your equation, which is x, y, z, a, b, c, m, n, o, whatever. And then right hand side would hold all the numbers that you come across in the equation, which may be in a form of a fraction, maybe a decimal, maybe a mixed number, or it could even be an integer. So looking at a case, we need to take everything to the right hand side of the equation. So when I talk about 5x plus 2 is equal to 7, I need to take the plus 2 over to the other side, for which I get 5x is equal to 7 minus 2. Now anything that crosses that bridge, by bridge I mean the equals to sign, would have a change of sign automatically, which means now I get a 5x is equals to a 5. Alright, now I still need to solve this. I have to have a single value for x. What do? I divide both the sides by a 5, and when I do that, I have a lone x is equal to 5 divided by 5 is a 1. And I hope that clarified your concept for today. Thank you for watching me.